Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's episode, let's talk Creps. We're going to be talking about the Air Max 90 collaboration with Patta, known as the Homegrowns. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about this shoe before I get into it, like I always do. I'm going to address the elephant in the room first. This obviously is not the retail box. I brought these shoes on Goat and they didn't have the box. So back when I brought these, I had a thing of if I didn't have the original shoe box, I'd make the shoe box. So this is actually a box that I've made myself, which is sort of reminiscent of the box it would have come in, with the sort of the grey and orange colouring. And obviously I've added some extra bits onto it as well, so excuse that. It's better than having them loose, I guess. Nonetheless, this is the Air Max 90 Patta Homegrown, which released back in 2006 and is a grail sneaker for a lot of Air Max 90 fanatics out there. The box label I have actually recreated on here, so as you can see, the colourway is grass and grass orange blaze. And this is a UK 10. Without further ado, let's just get into this. I don't need to show you all the box design I've done here, it's nothing too special. So inside the box I do have what came with it, so the spare laces along with some other bits as well. Let's get these out. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, there's the Goat labelling for it and original hang tags, etc. But we don't need to see all that. And it also came with some green and white additional laces, which I've started with the orange ones that it came with. I quite like them. They're sort of quite contrasting, which I think is a nice way of doing it with this shoe. So, get into it a little bit. So, if you're not aware of where Patta's based, they are based in Amsterdam, and this shoe being called the Homegrown, and you know what Amsterdam's renowned for, you can probably put two and two together and figure out the theming of this shoe, especially when you've got this sort of dark green with the light green accents coming through in the mudguard representing a leaf. I'll say no more on the topic, I think that's pretty obvious. But yeah, so here we have what is known as a grail sneaker for a lot of people. Like I say, State Magazine done a video on this when they released back in 2006, and it's a wicked video. It's actually on YouTube, you can still find it. It's like a SWAT team raiding a house and these shoes being under a load of heat lamps. Very cool video, just sort of shows the time back then. So yeah, you've got this sort of shortcut suede on the mudguard in this sort of nice green colourway, along with this leather, as I was saying earlier, wrapping around the toe box and going into the side panelling as well with this green, lighter green leaf effect underneath. Nice green leather swoosh, and nice all-round materials on this one. The back tab has the white text with the green, and on your laces they also come with a nice little dubray as well, which is obviously transferable between the shoes. Your tongue has the green Nike Air Max text on it, along with the white Nike Air Max text with the green background, and the sock liner in this is this nice orange leather, which is very nice and plush, and you can probably see in there as well the actual insole on this was a cork. So really nice premium materials on this. It was a very premium shoe back when it released, very desired, not a lot of people owned it. Oh, I forgot to say as well, bottom of the sole, your classic waffle outsole with the gum layer into it, and the air bubble in this one, these are a bit starting to haze a little bit because they're aged, but it's a nice bright orange as well. So yeah, really nice shoe. No differences I've noted between the two, sort of keeping quite the same without both of them. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about wraps up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively grow the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.